Students, in today's class, we will discuss about pair of linear equation. Student, in 10th class, we have to discuss four types of linear equations. First, elimination method. Student, with the help of this elimination method, we have to find variables x and y. Students, linear equations represent using this expression x 2x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. This is a equation of two variables where x and y are variable. Student, we have to find x and y. For this purpose, we require two types of equation. First one is and second one is. Student, in elimination method, we have to eliminate one of these variable. Either we eliminate x, either we eliminate y. Okay, students, so we eliminate x in this equation. So we multiply by 3 in equation 1 and multiply 2 in equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So students, solve this equation. 6x plus 12y 3 5 are 15 equal to 0. Now we multiply 2 6x plus 10y plus 2 equal to 0. Student, we subtract these two equations. Minus, minus, minus. So these terms are cancelled. Then we get 12y minus 10y. 2y. 15 minus 2. That is plus में 13 equal to 0. So we get y equal to minus 13 upon minus 13 upon 2. So students, with the help of this procedure, we have to find variable x and y, and this is called elimination method. Now we have to find the value of x. So value of y put in this equation. Two x plus 4, the value of y is minus 13 upon 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So 2 to the 4, 2x minus plus minus 26 plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 26 plus 5 minus 21 equal to 0. So value of x is 21 upon 2. So student, this is called elimination method. Student, what is linear equation? Student, linear equation means represented of variable x and y in one equation. It's called linear equation. So this is called elimination method. Now we will discuss substitution method. So in substitution method, we put value of x into another equation. So with the help of this example, we understood clearly how to apply substitution method. Students, suppose we have two equations, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus का 5 equal to 0. So students, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So with the help of equation 1, we have to find the value of x. So the value of x is plus y is shifted into this side, minus y minus 2. So value of x put into equation 2. So 2, the value of x is y minus 2. So we multiply 2 on this quantity, 2y minus 4 plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 2y plus y is 3y minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 equal to 0. So y equal to 3. This is called substitution method. So we put the value of y into equation 1. Then we get value of x. So this is called substitution method. So this substitution method is very easy. We apply any linear equation to solve with the help of substitution method. So next method is cross multiplication method. Students, in cross multiplication method, we have two equations, x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. So we have to find x and y with the help of cross multiplication method. So students, for this purpose, how to solve these two equations with the help of cross multiplication like this. Suppose this is x, this is y, this is 1. So students, first we skip x, we multiply 1 into 2, we multiply minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Plus 15 students. Minus 5 into 3 minus 15. We eliminate y. The coefficient of x shifted into this side. The 1 into 3 plus 1. We skip this constant 5 into 1. Minus का 5 minus plus 2. So x equal to minus 13, y equal to 4, 1 equal to minus 3. So students, we equate these three values. So x equal to minus 13 upon minus 3, y equal to 4 upon minus 3. Thank you students.